Hey guys, today's mod is going to be the F250. You guys know I have a 19 F250 XLT and we've been doing a bunch of mods to it. Today it's the turn of this plastic guy that is huge. We're going to replace it with the two-wheel drive version of it, which is about half the size. I got this tip from one of the Facebook groups on the Superduty groups online, and yeah, we're going to try it out. I've seen a couple videos, one from Mustang 09, that there's a bunch of, I think 17 screws underneath it. So we're gonna use these where we can, and if not, we're gonna ratchet them out. I'm gonna take a video starting, and then a video when we're done to see if there's any difference at all. If there is or there isn't, I would like you to comment down below and let me know if it made a difference or if it's just working for nothing. But you know, I think it's gonna make a difference, so let's see. All right, so the screws we need to remove are these right here. You know, like this one, that one. And they go all the way. And then when we're done, we're going to remove these guys. So I think these are held in by these two bolts. So we'll take care of those and then we'll install the new one. All right, so we got all the screws from underneath it. There's some here, there's some over there, there's some over here. Now the only thing keeping this thing up are right here, and of course one on the other. All right, so now this thing only has these clips holding this cable lines, I think. So we take care of those, and we are ready to go. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Remember to comment down below, let me know if it changed or it didn't change the look of it. I think it changed, but you know, I welcome all the comments. If you think it's a waste of time, you know, also let me know.